Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to pay with PayPal on Amazon. So the first step is to simply go to Google and search for PayPal Cash Card, and then simply click on the first link, which is this one here. And then what you're going to have to do is simply click on request your card, and then what you're going to have to do is simply get access to the PayPal debit card. Then after you get access, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on account and list on the top right of the landing page of Amazon. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your payments, and then here you're gonna have to simply click on add a credit or debit card, and then simply add your PayPal debit card, and basically that's all you have to do. Now when you go to Amazon and try to buy something, you're gonna have the option to use that as a payment method. Now keep in mind that your debit card, this one here from PayPal, will be linked to your PayPal balance. So basically whenever you buy something with this card, you're gonna use the money from your PayPal account. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.